Ever wondered if Jamaica is African? Let's clear that up real quick. Nope, Jamaica isn't an African nation. We're straight up Caribbean, with our own flavor, vibe, and history. So buckle up, let's dive into what makes us proud Caribbean people. No, Jamaica is not an African nation. Jamaica is a Caribbean nation with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and achievements that are distinctly Caribbean. While it's undeniable that our ancestors were brought from Africa during the transatlantic slave trade, it's essential to recognize that Jamaica, like other Caribbean nations, has developed its own unique identity over centuries of colonization, resistance, and independence. As Caribbean people, we have forged our own path, drawing from a blend of African, European, indigenous, and other cultural influences. Our music, such as reggae and dancehall, our cuisine, our language, and our vibrant traditions all reflect this diverse heritage. While we honor and celebrate our African roots, it's crucial to acknowledge that Jamaica's story is intertwined with the broader history of the Caribbean. From the struggles for independence to the triumphs in sports, music, and literature, Jamaica has made its mark on the world stage as a proud Caribbean nation. In my case, I have roots in Nigeria through paternal lineage.